Hey guys, I'm Mick. Welcome back to my channel, MYKK2083. Hope you guys are doing well, and hope you guys like the last tattoo vlog video. It was a special day to make that video. It was Mahashivaratri 2023. So anyways, now today another day, another new vlog, and today I am making this vlog because I'm getting my SIM card, my mobile SIM card turned into a eSIM. So yeah, it's been I'm like doing it a bit late because eSIM started in Bangladesh like a year ago, and now after 1 year I'm finally getting my eSIM. So thought that why not make a vlog about it, and hope you guys are gonna like the video. And I don't know if I can film inside the office or not, but let's see what happens. Let's go inside the Grameenphone Center in Gulshan Avenue in the Simpletree building. So yeah, inside this building on the ground floor. So yeah, so let's go inside and see what happens. I didn't check anything in the internet. Saw some videos, but I don't know if they're gonna charge me anything or it's gonna be free. So let's go inside. It's an awesome building, new architectural buildings in Dhaka city. Camera is good. Hey guys, cannot use the camera inside the customer center. So see you guys later. Hey guys, finally got my eSIM, and it wasn't allowed to make a video inside the customer center, but I was like, just gonna made a small footage of the camera, and like when they were installing the, you guys have seen it already, when they were installing the eSIM. So it was asking for PIN numbers or something like that. So anyways, it was quick and fast, and I didn't have to pay anything. It was totally free. And then got this envelope, and there is a QR code inside this envelope, and then I cannot show you guys the QR code, security purpose. And there is also a barcode number and barcode here. Probably you guys have seen it already. Anyways, don't scan the barcode that you guys just saw in the video. So yeah, it was quick and fast and easy, and finally got my eSIM, and I can add up to they were saying like 6 eSIM, and then 1 in the slot. And then after adding 6 eSIM and 1 in the slot, there will always be standby will be 2 line, and then if I have to use other operator, then I have to switch between the eSIMs or the slot or whatever. So anyways, no matter how many eSIM and slot I add, there will always be 2 operators standby, or if I have 2 number from 1 operator, then both the number will be standby. And then if I have to use the 3rd number, then I have to switch between the eSIM or the slot. So anyways, it's pretty easy. If you guys are seeing, anyone is seeing from Bangladesh, and if you guys handset supports eSIM, then can change your number to eSIM. It's pretty easy and convenient. And another thing, after getting the eSIM, I can use this barcode for 3 times, and after 3 times then I have to come back here and get a new QR code. So one QR code I can use for 3 times only. So yeah, these are the information I wanted to share. Probably you guys will be able to find it in Grameenphone website or YouTube channel or any other platform for Grameenphone. So yeah, so finally got my eSIM, and this was it. It was a small vlog. Couldn't show you guys the whole processing inside the customer center. So yeah, so this was it, guys. Hope you guys liked the video, and then please like and share my video when you guys watch it, and don't forget to subscribe. And one subscriber left my channel. I had 89 subscribers and now one person left. Now it became 88 subscribers again. So guys, please tell me why you guys unsubscribe my channel after subscribing. I will definitely try to do my best in the channel. So before leaving the channel, first tell me that these are the reason that we are leaving your channel. Then I'll try to fix it, and don't just leave like that. Don't just unsubscribe like that. Before unsubscribing, please give it a talk with me in comments, or message me or comment, talk with me in the comments. Then I'll give you guys my WhatsApp number or any other form of communication if you guys want to do with me. So the bottom line is, don't unsubscribe like that. Keep on subscribing and keep on liking and sharing my videos. And yeah, see you guys in the next one then. And all of you guys have a good one, and ciao for now, and see you guys in the next one.